It's a good shim, Tatro.
Bad shim.
Good shim.
Okay, what diameter was I going to make this? What length was I going to make this? Okay, we're going to mark this at 0. I should come up further. We need all the room I get. There's 0. Okay, I left off last night figuring out the dimension of what I want to make my guide at, and I gave up. Got confused. But I remember some of the numbers. Basically comes down to I cut it 750, 700, or 675. Or make it the same as this one, which is 580.
That looks like 560. Oh, it's gone now.
Yeah, right between my feet. That's a 5/8 anyway. Actually, that's a 5/8. That's a 74 guide. That's an 80-inch guide. That's a knucklehead guide. That's a knucklehead guide. Might be a valve lift clearance issue. There's also an overall valve guide height issue difference here. So the kibble guide is shorter overall. That goes in the port, and it's shorter on the top. But we need to cut the top down to put the seal in there. So if we cut the guide down to be the same exact height, we cut it down to 650.
Right.
If we raise it up at 675, we make it 750 overall height, we make it a different number. Now this one here, we got to cut it way down because this doesn't clear the cam. That's what I was going to look up. I was going to look up the lift of the cams. I forgot to do that. So I want to see what kind of cams they actually made. I'm just guessing 400 lift. I have no idea what the lift is. I probably should look that up before I cut all this shit, but I didn't do that yet.
Yeah.
Think I should do that?
Yeah, we should probably do that.
Oh, we probably should do that?
The more knowledge we have, the more knowledge we have, the better we can cut.
Well, I know I'm going to cut at least 750.
Right.
Minus 150. And then we got some clearance.
750 minus 150. That's 500.
Well, I know this is 700 here.
600.
And this is 150 above the seat, top of the guide. So to make it the same height as that, I got to cut 150 off of this one. If I add 50 to it, to make it 750 tall instead of 700, I know at least I got to do that. But I think I have to be more than that. That's too short. So I'm going to guess at least 700. So right now we just zeroed this out, remember?
Yeah.
I bumped against the guide. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700.
That's over 700, Tatro.
It is?
That's 710.
It's right there.
That's under 700, Tatro.
And that's a mistaken number because it was 700 from the back side of the guide, not the front side of the guide. So that was the wrong number already. Now I go back and do this again. Okay, now we go back down to here. Now we come out 700. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we got to cut something. Now we know the guide's about 780. 790, I think it was. It says 760 according to this. Each one's different, I guess.
Well, that seems about right. 760. E. That's a big difference. There's not a slot there, Tatro.
There's no slot there. I'm on a slot. This guy's short.
80.
It's really short. See, everyone is different. They're a little bit different. So we're going to go back down to 700 minimum. Okay. High speed too.
No oil?
No.
I think you just don't like oil.
See, this bit is really long. This guy's hard.
Both.
Both?
Both.
It's hard to believe. So that angle I got 720. So that means I gotta change this. Probably not that much though. 15 different. The other problem, we don't have much angle on this thing.
On the cutting edge?
Yeah. Well,
You just gave us some more angle.
That's more angle. Gotta readjust my cutter now. I had to make it a change. Alright, what do we got now?
Ooh, 702.
701. Okay, what diameter we want? Smaller.
Very.
We go down at least 400 minimum. Because this is 400.
Yeah.
So we go down 400. What was the number?
What?
Our number over here?
Oh, 700?
0. Make sure that fits going. Just push harder. You might be lower too.
Yeah.
Think we're low?
Probably.
Oh, not too bad. What's our diameter?
I don't know. I don't know what that diameter is.
700. 699. My eyes are off a little bit. So if we get another 40, what's that make it?
659.
At least 400 in. Not that much down though. Well, that went too much. Should have some clearance on the CO2. I like 30,000 CO2. I'll look at the taper too, just for the hell of it. D-bird. D-bird. There, we'll be down here.
620. 665. 628.
26, 7.
26. Yeah. 7. 26. Yeah. I thought that was 7.
Looks like 650 though.
I don't
Go
know.
off by a turn. 650. The 6 is there though.
Well, the line was too small. Couldn't see.
Oh, that's what it was.
Yeah, the line was too small.
Wow, it's small. Having a problem. Yeah, it's pretty damn dull too. 15. 14. Close enough.
Yeah.
If we drop it.
At 10. Thou.
Probably about. The chamfer. All right, what do we got now? 24.
24.
24. Same as Harley. Same as kibble. So that should go on there. It's really rough, so it's got something to bite on, dude.
Mm-hmm.
So we got chamfer here so we don't cut ourselves. We got chamfer there so see if it goes on easier. We do not chamfer the ID of the bore though.
No.
That has to be honed anyway. So there you go. But the height is at a number. What number's the height at?
7. 50.
Probably too tall.
Not by much.
So it looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So except what? Except what?
The finish?
It's made wrong.
Why?
Go deep enough. We didn't add the extra 150 in.
Oh, yeah, we did forget about that.
That goes on there pretty tight too, so yeah, that's really tight.
Yeah, we need to drop that about 3 more thou.
It's pretty sharp.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a lot of bite in it. That was our sample guide.
Your seal ain't too round there.
Yeah, but it doesn't have much.
618.
Yeah, well, it's also plastic. We're digging in.
Right. So it should be, in theory, is 620.
So we got 4 thou, which is good.
Right.
Should be good. The finish a little rough,
And that's
which is going to make it hard to go down. Also,
so,
but it gives a good bite.
well, we take some 6,000 grit sandpaper to it.
Or I can take that real fine file I got over there and just kiss it. Okay, take out another towel. Okay. What we didn't do is we didn't figure out the valve guide length yet that we need. So right now we're at stock height as a kibble,
Right.
which is right here. Which should be 700, but it'd probably be a couple thou less now. We got to cut down short. Nope, it's still right there at 1. Put that over. So right now we're identical height to this one on the top part. So if you go like this, it'll be the same.
Negative goes under.
What do you mean negative?
The one we cut is still taller.
Shouldn't be.
It is.
Shouldn't be.
I'm telling you, it's taller.
You mean kibble lied to me?
Yes. Oh, overall. Oh, that part? Yes. It is the same height. The overall length of that one, though, is.
This one's actually 700 and this one's 701.
Yeah.
Out there 699.5.
But.
I'm not quite straight. I'm at an angle because you can't go straight.
Yeah, you can't go straight.
So you're cheating this hour to kibble out. It's the same height this way. The overall height.
Yeah, the overall height is.
Kibble cuts it down.
Higher.
I told you they make these guys longer than that.
But yeah, they are.
So kibble gives you more length. I mean the aftermarket guy, whoever this is. I don't know if these are Rowe or Dixie or whoever the hell made them. Pretty hard material or whatever it is, but it does cut.
They are the same height though.
So just want to give you a little more. Even we're shortening it on this side, but we gain more over here.
Right.
So this is actually a better guide for using than the kibble for that reason.